I'm Cindy Santa Ana, Integrative Nutritionist for the Amen Clinics and your Wellness Wednesday host. Today I'm going to chat about trans fats and how they are made. Hydrogenation is the process that turns polyunsaturated fats, which are normally liquid, into a solid at room temperature. So let's discuss how that happens. So we have seed oils like soybean, canola, and cottonseed that are pressed using a solvent like hexane to extract the oil from the seed. Then they undergo a caustic refining process that involves degumming, deodorizing, and bleaching, all of which under high heat temperatures. This creates a highly unstable product that oxidizes easily. Then when you heat them to cook with them, they further degrade into hundreds of oxidation products in the body. Now, to make a hydrogenated oil, they take the seed oils and mix it with a metal particle called, or it's usually nickel oxide, and it's mixed in a machine with hydrogen gas. And yet again, it's subjected to those same high heat temperatures that creates that unstable product. This removes all the unpleasant odors and the gray color that it turns out to be. So dyes and flavors are then added to it to make it look like butter. This is why you want to avoid all those products that are sold in those plastic tubes and containers. There's strong evidence linking trans fats to cancer. So you want to make sure that you're reading your ingredient labels and you want to look for and avoid partially hydrogenated and hydrogenated oils. So cook your holiday meals, treats, and pies with real organic butter or ghee, which is clarified butter, pasture-raised lard, or for a vegetarian option, sustainable palm fruit oil, or even a high-quality olive oil. Take care.